Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making my famous mac and cheese. First we're going to start with pouring 32 ounces of the chicken stock into the pot. Then we're going to add 1 cube of bouillon. Once everything comes to a boil, you're going to add your box of noodles and you're going to boil that for about 8 minutes. We're only going to halfway cook it because it's going to cook some more once it bakes. After 8 minutes, it should look like this. The noodles is going to soak up all the chicken stock. Now we're going to start our custard. You're going to take a separate container and crack 3 eggs. Then you're going to add 2 cups of milk. Alright guys, so you know I'm not really good at measuring things and I eyeball it a lot. So at this point we're just going to add about 1/3 of heavy cream. Now we're going to add some pepper, salt, garlic, and all-purpose seasoning to our custard. Going back to our noodles, we're going to add a whole stick of butter and we're going to let that melt in there. Okay guys, let's season up these noodles. So you're going to add your complete seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. Then you're going to add some pepper, some salt, some Cajun seasoning, and you're going to mix that all together. Add some paprika too. Once that's all mixed up, we're going to start adding our cheeses. Now I'm just adding some mild cheddar cheese, Cheddar Jack cheese, Colby Jack cheese, some Mozarella cheese, and some Monterey Jack cheese. Now we're going to add in about half the custard mix. I thought it should be a little bit cheesier, so I added more cheese, but it's totally up to you at this point. It's all about your preference and how you like your mac and cheese. Now this next part is completely optional, you guys. I'm gonna add in my Haitian Epis seasoning, but you do not have to do this at all. Now we're going to add in about 1 cup of the sour cream. Guys, please make sure you add this in because this is one of the secret ingredients and this is what's going to make your macaroni and cheese stand out. Get you a pan and spray some non-stick cooking spray in there and then start putting your mac and cheese in the pan. Once you fill the pan completely, put the rest of your custard in there and then cover the top with the rest of the cheese that you have left over. Sprinkle some paprika on top, and then you're gonna put your dish in the oven. Make sure it's at 375 degrees, and you're gonna set it for 45 minutes to an hour. And that's it, guys. You're all done. I really hope you enjoyed making this dish, and I really hope that it makes your dinners just a little bit more special. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you really like this recipe, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.